In this video, we are learning about identifying multiples using materials. So the first thing we're going to do is look at what are multiples. A multiple is a number that can be divided by another number without having a remainder. What does this really mean? For example, multiples of 3, such as 3, 6, 9, 12, or even 102, 105, 108, all of these numbers can be divided by 3 so we call them the multiples of 3. For example, we can see here 102 divided by 3 equals 34. So 102 is a multiple of 3. So now that we've got a bit of an idea of what multiples are, we're going to use a hundreds chart to identify the multiples of 4. So using the hundreds chart to find the multiples, we start at 4 because we're looking for the multiples of 4. And then we count on 4 more, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is our second multiple. We count 4 more, that gives us 12. That's our third multiple of 4. We keep adding 4, that repeated addition. We're finding the next multiple by always adding 4 more. We can see a bit of a pattern starting to emerge. The pattern is in the numbers, as well as a bit of a visual pattern happening on the hundreds chart. Now that we've used the hundreds chart to identify the multiples, we can write the multiples down: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And I'm going to write them in groups of 5 so I can easily see the number pattern that the multiples create. Next, we're going to have a look at the multiples of 6 using a hundreds chart. Just like with the multiple of 4, we're going to start at the first multiple. Because we're finding 6s, we're going to start at 6. Then I'm going to count 6 more, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I keep on counting 6 more, 6 more. I'm repeatedly adding 6, putting that counter down and seeing the pattern emerge. I can then write down my multiples. 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12. This is a great way of finding your multiples of a number.